Have you ever been faced with appraising a modular home, a manufactured home, a mobile home, as we say here in West Tennessee? Um, Sometimes appraisers are a little bit trepidatious about tying into those assignments. We have a course with Cathy Putegnat, and she walks you through the process of appraising a manufactured home. And Kathy, just real quick, what is the difference between a manufactured home and a modular home and what we would call a mobile home down here in Tennessee?
All right, so it's called CODE. Simple code, right?
Yep.
Manufactured home is built to the HUD code. So it's got the HUD data plate on the inside of the home and the HUD tags on the outside of the home when it's delivered to the property. And though both are factory built homes, a modular home is finished on site because it's finished to the local building codes where it is being placed on the property. So code is the biggest differentiation between a manufactured home and a modular home.
Okay. That is one of the simplest, clearest explanations I've ever heard. What is an appraiser going to learn when they take this class?
Yeah, so there's several things that we cover in this class. We start out by talking about the fact that sometimes manufactured homes don't look like manufactured homes. Have you ever appraised a 5,200 square foot manufactured home with a site-built addition?
I have not, but I've heard tales.
Well, I can tell you my tale of a 5,200 square foot manufactured home with a site-built addition. That happens in our class.
Okay.
We talk about the HUD code and why and how it applies to manufactured housing. We talk about the GSE requirements for manufactured housing and the specific requirements for comparable selection, depending on if you're doing a manufactured home, a traditional manufactured home, an MH Advantage home, a choice home, a modular home. There are differences, and we talk about all those differences and what the GSEs require for comparable selection.
Okay, good, 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 good. Um, Last question. Why should I sign up for this course today?
So here's probably the best way that I can say it. I received an email from a gentleman that took the class several months ago, and this is what he said. Hi, Kathy. Hope this finds you well. Just wanted you to know that I updated my profile with the AMCs I'm on panel with to include manufactured housing. Since then, I've completed several manufactured housing assignments without any problems, including a really challenging order that had 4 manufactured homes on the same parcel, one that was real property, the other's personal property. But the parcel had 4 septic systems, 3 water systems, and a bunch of junk RVs. Your class provided the confidence to start taking these orders, and I still refer back to your outline and the notes I took when I'm working on manufactured housing assignments. Yeah, the bottom line is if you want to add something to your book of work or you want to become better at something, that's the reason to take this class.
And that's the thing, Kathy. That's the thing we're trying to do here at Appraiser eLearning is give education that an appraiser can take that afternoon, the next day, and use in their business. And that's exactly what this is. Kathy, thank you so much for taking the time to do this little promotional video.
You're welcome.